That looks delicious.
Plop it in there. Oh, he missed. So gross. So gross. We've been tagged enough of these food challenges, these stupid food challenges, so it's time we made our own.
We're making a food challenge.
So if you watched our last video, this is inspired by the man behind the camera, actually. So Sam's been known to do these what we call garbage pail meals, where he just dumps a bunch of crap into a Ziploc bag and rehydrates them.
Yeah.
And they're actually really good.
Yeah, they're delicious.
So we're doing the Backcountry Garbage Can Challenge.
Yes, yes.
All right, Andy, what are the rules?
Okay, so there's multiple rules to this. First thing is that you gotta purchase all of the items. No, you can't make no homemade crap.
And what's the maximum dollar amount?
You can't spend more than $5. So
$5
has to be store-bought. Can't cost more than $5. Here's some of the here's an interesting one.
Intricacies. Okay, I like this.
It has to be prepared in a gallon-size Ziploc bag.
And thanks, Sam, for that.
Yep, it has to be a gallon.
And it all must be prepared in that bag.
It all must be prepared in this bag, and some component of it must be rehydrated. So
right, so you can't just buy a steak and put it in the bag.
Yep, store-bought, under $5, in a gallon Ziploc bag, must be prepared, and some component of it must be rehydrated. So that's the challenge.
That's the challenge. All right, let's take us through our meals.
Okay.
All right, Sam, you actually won. What are we calling this? The kitchen sink Backcountry Garbage Can Challenge?
Backcountry Garbage Can.
The Backcountry, all right, Sam, you won the Backcountry Garbage Can Challenge last time we did this.
I did. So
Sam's in pole position.
Reinvent the wheel, so to speak.
Sam's in pole position. All right, so what are you wowing us with this time around?
So, well, again, we're going with the Alfredo.
Okay, is that what you did last time?
I think it is.
Okay.
Might have been. And a little bit different with the potatoes, the Applewood smoked bacon.
Okay.
Instant mash.
Okay.
A favorite, I believe. Then the kicker, this is some hot buffalo tuna.
Oh, hot buffalo, nice. Are you just gonna throw it all in there and add water? What's your sequence of events?
I mean, that's it. You start cooking the pasta. When that's kind of soft, then you want to throw in the tuna, and then you want to throw in the potatoes.
Okay. Okay, Andy, take us through your Backcountry Garbage Can entrance.
We'll start with a base of cheesy bacon macaroni.
Oh, interesting.
North side.
So that's like mac and cheese almost?
I guess.
Bacon mac and cheese?
Macaroni in a cheesy sauce with bacon bits.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do smoky cheese and bacon mashed potatoes. We're gonna do.
Oh, I forgot you had this.
We're gonna do buffalo style chicken.
Okay.
And then.
Wait. Oh, but you're putting all this?
Yeah.
You're gonna need 40 ounces of water. That's not even a joke with the stuffing.
Yeah, and then chicken flavored instant stuffing.
Wait. I didn't realize you had 3 carbohydrate-based things in here.
I'm winning the challenge.
So 2 cups of water, 2 cups of water. Dude, that's not gonna fit in that bag. Oh, that's gonna be great.
The rules say it has to be in the bag.
Okay. All right. I didn't realize you have 4 things in yours.
All right. What do you have?
So, all right. I was actually pretty inspired by Sam's winning entrance last time we did this, so it's similar. We're going with the Applewood smoked bacon mashed potatoes. Okay. Always a classic.
Yep, that's pretty basic.
That is pretty basic.
Way to reinvent the
wheel. But they're good though.
Yeah.
I normally don't bring the Applewood. The 4 cheese pasta side. And this was a game time decision because I had a couple things, but I swapped them out. The Thai chili style. So Sam, our meals,
chili style?
Thai chili style tuna.
That's kind of like goes along with Doritos sweet chili.
It does. So this is my my entrance into this this challenge.
Okay.
It's definitely very influenced by Sam's winning bid last time. Okay. So best before June 12th, 2019. Perfect. Perfect. So what do you're cooking the noodles first? Or the stuffing first?
No. Stuffing's instant.
Yeah.
Get the noodles going. Let it sit there for a while. let it sit there for like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And then start adding the other stuff in there.
Okay. This just always seems like too much water, you know? I don't even, and I think I put in less.
It doesn't matter. The potatoes,
That's true. The potatoes are gonna soak it up. Yeah. Okay, you're getting ready to add yours. Did you measure out?
Nope. It doesn't matter. Overfill it.
Okay, that's true. That's true. We got Sam going on the fancy feast to get his water going.
You mind if I get a little bit of a shake?
Hold on. Is this part of the challenge? You allowed to just eat the ingredients raw?
I'm so hungry.
Is it good?
Yeah. We should take dried stuffing as like a snack.
What do you think?
That's actually pretty good.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god. Nice. Are you saving some to put in your meal?
It's like a saltine cracker, but without the salt.
That looks delicious.
Plop it in there. Oh, he missed. So gross. So gross. Oh god. It's looking good.
Look at this, yeah. Gotta get through all the corners of the bag.
Oh my god. There's no way you're gonna eat all that.
Oh, I know. But it's just the process. You know?
Oh my god.
I might need some more of that stuffing.
Oh, I forgot there's stuffing in there.
Oh, okay. I didn't know how much you needed.
Dude, you're not gonna be able to.
Something's developing over here.
You're not gonna be able to zip that shut.
The bag broke.
Oh my god!
I have to hold this corner up. It was too much of a trash can challenge.
Oh my
it's
god!
Pretty.
It does look good. It looks good.
Stuffing, macaroni and cheese with bacon and bacon
I bet
mashed
that's
potatoes.
Good, though. Oh, Lance ready to rock.
I think I got enough water.
Dude. You like Sam's?
I think I like his better.
Sam? What do you think of his?
I think I like mine better.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think Sam
Sam's winning again.
Sam's winning.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, there's the stuffing in here too. Unbelievable.
Yeah, well,
Stunning
I'm
development
still
over
working on
here.
mine.
Look at that.
Gross.
I feel like there's a bowling ball sitting in my waist right now.
Does the loser have to eat everybody's? Oh, this is so gross. What if somebody comes over here and tries to camp here right now when they see this? They're like,
Hey.
what are these dudes doing?
You guys want a spoon?
Yeah, right. It'll probably taste similar to yours, Sam, because it's about the same thing, I think. The pasta side's slightly different. All right, after no deliberation, actually, their mind fell short of everyone's expectations.
Sam won.
Sam,
what was in?
yeah,
yours
what was
again?
in it? The winning combo.
Oh yeah, the winning combo was the fettuccine, the hot buffalo style tuna, and the applewood bacon potatoes.
That was good.
That was the winning combo.
That was good.
The winning combo, yeah,
Yeah.
that did it.
Well, our colons will thank us later for that.
I'm gonna go die now.
That was fun. All right, now it's time. These cost $5, so we're gonna tag 5 people.
5 people, $5, 5 people.
All right, so
I get it.
Outlan's first. Lance, show us your garbage.
Yeah. We have to tag Restless.
We're tagging Restless Outdoors. He can put some cigarettes in his or something.
Yeah, an ashtray.
Yeah.
Bryce, we'll have to tag Bryce.
We'll have to tag Bryce because he normally just eats chicken and rice.
Yeah.
So we'll mix it up.
Yep. How about Devin, Backcountry Exposure?
Oh yeah, Backcountry Exposure. You always do a lot of food-related videos.
Yeah, so you're tagged. So now you have to do a
So
crappy
now you have to do a crappy food video. All right, last and not least, Tim Watson.
The man himself.
The man himself. No mountain houses.
Yeah, no mountain houses, Tim.
You can't get a mountain house for under $5, so I know it can't be part of this challenge. So that's it. Let us show us your garbage can challenge, and game on.
Game on. Your colons are going to be great.
Colons are gonna be great. All right.